Hey folks, quick question. Have you ever felt a bit tired of Agile or Scrum? Like the daily stand-ups feel robotic and retrospectives feel repetitive, and the backlog just never ends? If yes, you might be experiencing something called Agile Fatigue. Let's talk about it. Agile Fatigue happens when teams go through the motions of Agile ceremonies, sprints, stand-ups, retros, planning, but the spirit of agility is gone. Instead of feeling empowered, teams feel exhausted. It's like when you're running in circles, sprint after sprint without a real sense of progress or purpose. It's not about hating Agile, it's about burnout from the way Agile is being practiced. Here's what often triggers Agile fatigue: ceremony overload. Too many meetings that don't feel valuable. Velocity pressure, when teams are judged only by points, not value. Lack of reflection, when retros are held but nothing actually changes. Tool obsession, when the process becomes more important than the people. And sometimes it's just Agile being forced on teams without them buying in. Team members start saying things like, "Another stand-up already. We're just doing this because Scrum says so." Nothing ever improves after retros. That's Agile fatigue speaking. But here's the good news. Agile fatigue can be reversed. Revisit why you're doing Agile. Is it helping you deliver value or just ticking boxes? Shorten or skip ceremonies occasionally. Experiment. Let the team own the process. Stop being dogmatic about frameworks. Most importantly, bring back fun, autonomy, and purpose. Sometimes all it takes is one open conversation with the team to start fixing it. If Agile's starting to feel like a chore, don't ignore it. Agile is meant to serve you and your team and not the other way around. So pause, reflect, and don't be afraid to shake things up. If you've ever faced Agile fatigue, drop a comment. Let's swap stories and ideas. And hey, don't forget to like, share, or subscribe if this video resonated with you.